Yes. Ma'am, graduate na yung anak ko ng nurse. Ma'am, nakapag-enroll na sa college yung ano ko kasi pinahiram mo ako ng kahit pagpano, kahit hindi alam din ko. And that's giving me more strength, giving me more to fight life. And the more I keep hearing that day by day, the more I want to work harder and make our company grow. So basically, we are adding 2 more companies that will feed the ABA and the Amari. So we will have a continuous client. So you're all gonna be taken care of. So in short, Merry Christmas, and I love you all.
We love you too. We love you too.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Alright, thank you so much, Ms. Nani and Dominic, for that wonderful message. So Taylor, what's a good thing when we're attending party? What's a good thing when we're attending party?
I would say the best thing about attending parties, especially work parties, is that we all get to see each other since we're all like segregated in different areas. I would also like to say maybe that the environment is also happy. Even when we're not having a party, the environment is always just very happy. It's never no bad energy or anything. So every time we came to work or when I experienced it, it's always just happy vibes and a good time.
May nakaupo na dyan.
Of course, food, right? Yeah. So we have to line up here on this side, and we're going to start our dinner. But first, we have to
Kunin.
first for the food, and then the rest will follow.
Oo nga. Ilang taon ba? 10 years yan. Most likely yan. Naka-live tayo. Live tayo. Sige. Halika na. Sige na, sige. Dina.
And then next will be the Mari.
Ay, sino ba lahat? Gusto ko magpalit ng ano? Magpalit ako ng shoes.
Tayo muna, pakita natin kay Henry.
Live yan, live. O sige na. O gamitin mo na lang. Live yan.
Pag Angels.
Saan tayo? Sa Angels tayo?
Sa Angels tayo.
Kahit namumulog yung angel. Okay, ready?
Ganda.
Okay. What's next?
Angels.
Angels.
Angels na. Yeah, Angels. Aba mo na.
Nakita. Aba
Nakita.
Aba nakita.
Anong kasunod?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Angels na. Angels.
Angels na. Pahawak lang. Naka-live naman yan. Live lang. Three. 3, 2. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Waki! Compress. Amari!